Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man. You'll find me. You find the prices, or you can Google my name. We just finished polishing, waxing this Ford Taurus 2004, and it turned out brand new looking. Owner's very happy. Just came out. It won't have. It's never been waxed before. Lots of videos just like this one on YouTube. Motorhomes. There's instructional videos for your motorhome, how to care for the roof. Just tried this new wax for the plastics. So now when you get your car detailed, you'll have actual wax on the plastic. And it's much better than what I was doing before, because the wax for the plastics and the rubber actually protects a lot longer. Look at that shine. And it restores much better. Look at that. Nice and shiny. The water will repel off of this rubber and the plastic itself. You get your cars polished and waxed. You also get the wax on this portion of the rubber. It's just going to make the rubber just stay brand new. Got an airport just right over there, private airport. People have airplane garages over there. I'm at Dungeness Meadows right now. This is a golf course neighborhood. They have golf cart garages attached to their regular garages. The Dungeness spit is right over there. Walking distance. National Park. Campground. Even this plastic here gets buffed, and it is shining. This was faded and it was dull before, but it's been fully restored back to original condition when they bought it. Brand new, although it's been fully restored, rubber and plastic. And that's important because you want it to last. So this car's finished. You have a great day. Have a great day.